What's up guys, welcome back to another video. This is Alex from MTV Alex, and today I'm recording a series of videos. On this video I'm gonna be working on a different bike. I haven't eaten, so I'm gonna be eating a little bit of cheese and a Diet Coke because I'm a little bit hungry. Since I got off of work, I came straight over here and took advantage of the time. My wife is getting her hair done or something like that. She's getting her hair cut or something like that. So I'm just gonna take advantage and work on a different project. Now today I'm gonna be working on my, not mine, it's a swing Copeland. I did a review on this one and the first impressions, and what I'm gonna be doing is attempting to remove the quill stem and putting an adapter and another handlebar because I don't like that one, and I have never done this before. Let's learn together, learn from my mistakes. This is what I was looking for. This is the adapter that I bought. Hopefully we can go ahead and install this. So this is the adapter that I got. It has something similar, and over here what this does, what it's supposed to do, is as you compress it, it'll open up so that it'll grab the inner tube like this. All right. I think this is gonna work. I'm just gonna get a handlebar and some spacers, put it on to see how that fits. These are the only type of spacers I have at the moment, so I'm gonna deal with what I have for now. Then I can buy some other ones. But alright, so I think that's working. All I gotta do now is transfer all the shifter and everything else back to this new handlebar and be done with it. Okay, so I'm having trouble with this shifter because the small Allen head screw that goes in there, it's stripped. Can't take it out. Let me see how I can figure it out. Man, that thing looks so much better. So much better. Only $10 and parts that I already had laying around. So that is it, a really easy conversion, $10 to go from this handlebar to a more modern geometry. And it was pretty simple. Just a little screw that gave me a little bit of trouble because it was already stripped out, so I have to take measures on that. But other than that, it's pretty simple and it's way easier than I thought it was gonna be. You can easily do this in 5 minutes if you don't have the problems that I had. I hope that you learned something today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. If you don't want to miss any other content or future projects, please turn the notification bell on. Other than that, that's it for this one, guys. And I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.